Hi, everyone, and welcome. My name is Mike Walkey, SVP of Global Channel Sales at Cohesity, and we're thrilled to have you join us for today's fireside chat. Whether you're new to Cohesity or a longtime partner, there's a lot of exciting momentum right now. And today we're going to give you a look into where we're headed and how we're building a stronger, more unified partner experience. I'm here with Kip Beall, our Chief Revenue Officer at Cohesity, to talk about how we're unlocking partner-led growth and profitability through three major areas of focus. First, portfolio integration. Second, our new partner program. And third, a unified, streamlined go-to-market.
Thanks, Mike. I'm glad we're doing this because so much has come together over the past few months, and it's all aimed at one thing: helping our partners accelerate growth and profitability together with Cohesity. With the combination of Cohesity and Veritas, we've created something truly unique in the market, the leader in AI-powered data security. And that gives us an opportunity to reimagine how we go to market with partners and deliver new, innovative solutions at scale.
Let's start with the foundation, the portfolio. Partners have been asking, what's happening with the product integration and what's the opportunity for our customers?
Absolutely. And this is a great place to start because it's where the customer value becomes really clear. Our engineering teams have been working at record speed to bring together the best of both worlds. From Veritas, NetBackup, the 1,000 plus connectors developed over 30 plus years, and from Cohesity, our innovative, unique Cohesity Data Cloud platform, Data Protect, Helios, and our cloud-native and AI capabilities. And this fall, we're going to be delivering a unified experience from a single management console in Helios to expanded connectors in NetBackup to deep cloud and security integrations across the board. And for customers, this means simplified operations, better protection, and faster time to value, all while leveraging solutions you already have in place from either company and growing as your business dictates. For partners, it opens the door to expanding business by leveraging the broader portfolio with cross-sell and value-added services for solution delivery.
And it gives partners a stronger, more cohesive story to take to market. One platform, many use cases built for modern workloads.
That's right. As we strengthen the portfolio, we've also reimagined how we support our partners. And that's where the Aspire Partner Program comes in. We've designed Aspire to be simple, inclusive, and scalable. It brings together all the partner types, from resellers and distributors to systems integrators and MSPs and alliances, all under one framework. But I'd love for you to share some of the highlights, because this is where things get really valuable for our partners.
Of course. The Cohesity Aspire Partner Program was designed to give partners everything they need in one place. Let's start with the Partner Portal. It's the single access point for everything a partner needs, from deal registration to tracking to training and co-branded marketing assets. It's all centralized. We've also enhanced deal registration to make it easier and faster for our partners to protect deals and get support from our field teams. On the financial side, we've rolled out compelling incentives and rebates, including rewards for new logos, expansion opportunities, and partner-driven pipeline.
Exactly. The Cohesity Aspire Partner Program is not just built for engagement, but also for partner profitability. We want it to be easier to do business with us and more rewarding.
Now let's talk a bit about the internal transformation, because partners don't just care about the program and the products, they care about how we operate and how easy we are to do business with.
Absolutely. And one of the biggest unlocks this year has been our lead to cash transformation. We've integrated how we work across sales, marketing, operations, and channel teams. It's now a single go-to-market engine built to reduce friction and speed up outcomes. And that means faster approvals, simplified quoting, improved deal reg workflows, and consistent partner support across every touch point. We're investing in automation, system enhancements, and better global-local field alignment, all so we can move with more agility and transparency.
So before we close today, what's the key message you want our partners to take away?
Well, simply, it's that we're all in on partner-led growth and partner profitability. With a unified portfolio, a purpose-built program, and a streamlined go-to-market motion, we're creating the scale and predictability that partners need to grow with confidence. And it's not a one-time push. This is how we operate going forward. We're listening, we're investing, and we're building for shared success and profitability.
Thanks so much, Kit. And thanks to all of you for being on this journey with us.